Hi! Have you ever wondered how to earn money online without any investment? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. There are countless ways to create a stream of income on the internet, and today we're going to explore some of them. First off, one of the most straightforward ways to earn money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. This job involves providing administrative services to clients from a remote location. You might be managing their emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media accounts. The best part, you don't need any capital to start. Another option is to get a part-time job online. There are numerous platforms where you can find remote work in various fields, from customer service to writing. If you're a student, you can also become a virtual study buddy. It's a great way to make use of your academic skills and earn money while helping others learn. Transcribing audio and video files is another way to earn online. Many businesses need transcription services, and they're willing to pay for accurate and timely work. If you're creative, consider setting up a Patreon account. This platform allows creators to earn a regular income from their fans or patrons who pledge a certain amount of money per month in exchange for exclusive content. Becoming a home workspace consultant is another great option. With the rise of remote work, many people are looking to optimize their home offices. If you're good at organizing and designing workspaces, you can offer your services online. Reviewing websites and apps is not only fun but can also be profitable. Many companies pay for honest feedback on their digital products. Joining an affiliate program can also bring in a steady income. You promote a company's products or services, and in return, you get a commission on every sale made through your referral link. Launching a YouTube channel is another way to earn money online. Once you have a significant number of subscribers and views, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Participating in focus groups is another interesting way to make money online. Companies pay for consumer opinions on their products or services. Becoming an online travel agent can be profitable if you love planning trips and have good organizational skills. Selling photos online is another way to generate income. There are many stock photo websites where you can sell your images. Paid online surveys can also add to your online income. Many companies pay for consumer opinions, and taking part in these surveys can be a quick way to earn a little extra cash. Lastly, offering social media consultancy can be a lucrative venture if you're savvy with platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So, there you have it. Numerous ways to earn money online without any investment. Now, it's up to you to decide which method suits you best and start your online earning journey. Remember, consistency is key, and with time and effort, you can build a steady stream of income on the internet. Which money-making idea are you going to try first? Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, keep exploring and earning.